Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to save Excel file as PDF. Friends, we all use Excel and sometimes we need our work in PDF format. So you just need to click on this file. Now here click on Save As. Now select destination to save your PDF file. Now in Save As type, select File Format as PDF. Now click on Save. Now friends, as you can see, our Excel file is saved and opened in PDF format. So friends, by following these simple steps, you can very easily save your Excel file as PDF. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.